cut a ring of cardboard and with the help of a paper tape, cover the sides. You have to make little notches because it's a rounder surface. Now cover the entire ring with the paper tape. Now take some wires. I had thin, so I took 3 thick wires and the rest thin wires. At the end of the thick wire, bend it a little. Now take some paper strips and with the help of any white glue or any glue, wrap it around the wires. This will give some shape and thickness to the wire. Also, it becomes easy to paint over it. This is the paste of plaster of Paris, white glue and a little water mixed in. Plaster of Paris is also called as gypsum powder. I always use this method in most of my videos to make the cardboard hard. Now I covered the wires with some black paint and then we'll highlight it with the copper metallic color. With a sandpaper, smooth out the edges. Now make a leaf shape on a thin cardboard and cut it. I made 8 leaves, 4 small and 4 big. In the little holes in the cardboard, insert a wire with the help of any glue. Paint the leaf black and highlight it with the copper metallic color. I use the dry brush technique for this. This is after drying. Now paint the ring black, and then later on we'll highlight it again with the copper metallic color. This is the final look after drying. To make the flower petals, take some wire and twist the ends of the wire with the help of a plier. Now at the other end, press the wire and shape it like a flower petal. I took a white crepe paper. You can also take a thick tissue paper for making the petals. Apply some glue and stick it on the paper and cut the shape of the petal. Make little notches and fold the paper to cover the entire wire. Cut 2 round pieces of cardboard and make a hole in one of them. Insert the thick wire with the bent edge. Apply some glue and stick the other cardboard over it. Cover the sides with a paper tape. You also call it as masking tape or a painter's tape. Again, make notches as it's a rounder surface. I painted it black and highlighted with the copper metallic color. Now take any rounder surface to bend the flower petals we made. This is temporary. You will anyways have to shape it later on. Now join all the petals together to form a flower shape with the help of any tape. There is one other method also to do it, which I'll show you shortly. Now cover the mess with any clay or any cardboard and paint over it, or you can simply put some clay. This is the other method I was talking about. You can directly stick the clay and then insert the flower petals. This was much easier. Now to check how it would look, I took some battery tea light and placed it inside the flower. To make the stand, roll out some clay and fix the ring inside it. I also tried the plaster of Paris mixture to make the stand, but it didn't work out, as it dried up so quickly that I couldn't fix the stems and flower inside it. This is the thing I was talking about. Now insert the stems in the pattern you like. Till the clay dries out completely, take the help of any object to support the ring. I took a tiffin box, a tissue paper bag and my Fevicol to support it. Now take some extra clay and fix all the stems wherever possible. Recording voiceover for the first time and I'm a bit nervous for it, so please excuse me for the mistakes I make. Also do comment on how I should improve it. Make some random lines on the stand to make it look like wood. Clay dries out completely. Paint black over it and then highlight it with the copper metallic color. and we are almost there. Place the battery operated lights inside the flower and ta-da! Our lamp is done. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Thank you.